What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Online Money Plug, where we uncover the smartest ways to build wealth through tech and innovation. Today, we're diving into some under-the-radar AI stocks that have strong fundamentals and incredible growth potential. Forget about Nvidia and Microsoft for a second. Those stocks are already overhyped, and the big money's been made. The real opportunity lies in finding the next wave of AI companies before they get crowded. Let's kick things off with SoundHound AI. Sound, a voice recognition company that's quietly revolutionizing conversational AI. While others chase large language models, SoundHound is making waves in real-world applications like cars and customer service. And guess what? It's still trading at a fraction of its potential market cap. Next up is Symbotic, SIM. They're transforming warehouse automation with AI and robotics, partnering with giants like Walmart. As supply chain automation accelerates, Symbotic is perfectly positioned for explosive growth. Then there's BigBear.ai, BBAI, a pure-play analytics company using AI for decision intelligence and defense systems. They're landing government contracts and feeding data into AI models that require precision and security. This is a company that could easily 3-5x as more investors catch on to its importance in the AI infrastructure. Finally, let's talk about Arista Networks, INET. They build the network backbone that AI models rely on for massive data flow. While everyone's focused on chips, Arista is providing the high-speed connectivity that makes AI possible. These are the quiet giants that long-term investors love. Here's the bigger picture. AI isn't just one industry. It's becoming the foundation of every industry. The companies powering the infrastructure and automation behind AI are the ones most people overlook. Smart investors are accumulating these building blocks, while retail traders chase the latest hype. If you look at the last 30 years of tech history, the pattern is clear. Money moves first into infrastructure, then applications, then consumer adoption. Right now, we're in that middle stage. Early investors who position correctly could see massive upside in the years ahead. So instead of chasing headlines, dig deeper and find the innovators solving real problems with AI. When the next wave hits, you'll already be there. That's how wealth is built quietly while the crowd is distracted. If you found value in this breakdown, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And don't forget to join our 250 giveaway. All the details are below. This is Online Money Plug, helping you build smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.